Hello, good morning. I'm Kumar, guys. The 16th December 2024, live Monday. So, in front of the natural gas futures CFD, the 50 minutes the daily data chart. So, right now the price is on live is it about $3.226. This is the candle of daily data chart. So, that is a 3.226 at this moment. So, that what I'm discussing it right now. That is I mean to avoid this week of Monday gaps, expecting a downside, but the big candle and the big rally from the 2.977 to the 3.559. So that rally is really that is to be the upsetting to everyone. But that what we discussed the previously, that is the previous 2 weeks back, that was to be when the price was to be 3.55. So that was to provided to 2.931 the supporting area that time. So that was to be keen of observation even now also. But the contract is going to expiry is a option closing in 23rd of December, the next week Monday, whereas that is the future closing is about 26th of December, that is after 3 days. So this is MCX closing basis what I am discussing here, and the price was observation is here like this. So that is that big drop that I mean to be that in front of us that on basis of expiry. So that was my observation to be the observation of right now, that who is holding the STBT, that to be that observation of support. Maybe the first level is 3.181 and second level is 3.609 and third level is to be 2.977. so that is and that key of observation of support 2.931. I don't think so it may be going to support, but that until unless the price reaches, then only we will discuss. But what is going to support or not, that is different issue. Come to the point, if it any resistance, who is the BTST call holding that on Friday, still Friday, and to be even to carry forward to today. So that is the key resistance of 3.333 to be may not be possible to reach that level. So that was to be the key enough observation. So this is a update about that natural gas futures CFD, that on the basis of price fluctuation, the wide range of fluctuations to be continuous, but the upside may be a limitation, whereas that where is the low side support on the basis of expiry. Please mind that one, that this is only key observation. The market will declare the right price where support, where to drop to level. So altogether, so that whatever this resistance may be going to work, and that this support may be, I don't think so. I will put this is also on red right now, the according to the time. So that to be that observation. So that is my point. So that this is information to observation on live market. Till next video, good luck.